about you while there'll be no remnants, no trace, no residual feelings within you. Then you won't remember me.
Let's check the pot. It's going after work.
Is that the kind of way to face the burning heat? There's nothing sweeter than my baby. Just from kissing me. No grave can hold my body down when my time comes around. It's a season, I swear. Let's have an adventure. Sometimes the silence guides the mind. So we run into the just yeah.
I'm thinking about that one. I can't find my edge brush. What am I supposed to use under my edge? Should I use my toothbrush and buy a new toothbrush? Okay, this done. There's so much I'm gonna need to buy it today.
Long as you got me, you don't need nobody.
Why is this white?
I'm all acting a bit crazy. Let's get cool and you're not here. The hormones, what it means.
Bad, poor.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is ticodahh. If you're new, if you're returning, welcome back. Today is Monday. We're going to do a day in my life. Our agenda for today is we're going to go to Morant Bay. We're going to collect my glasses. We're going to try out this new place, cafe like. Also, we're going to do like a little weekly beans hygiene shopping, and then we're going to go to Kingston because I'm going to look for my uncle. I haven't seen him in such a long time. Also, I want to try this new place in Kingston, Downtown Kingston, and I also want to buy something. I need to buy an edge brush. My sister can't find my one, and things like that I don't look for. Okay, just not gonna find it. Yeah, the new place that I want to try is this place called Yummy Cafe Chat. When I first saw the place, I went on Instagram and I saw a place, a said place. However, that place that is on Instagram is established in Trinidad. So I was like, is it a franchise? I was like searching through the page. I saw like a notice, public service announcement. We are not affiliated with that place. We open in Downtown Kingston. But the name, same thing. The color scheme, same thing. The logo, same thing. The idea, same, like everything is the same thing. But they even denied on TikTok as well that they are not affiliated with the one in Jamaica, which is kind of crazy to me. At first I was like, isn't this like a lawsuit or something? But they're still working, they're still operating, so I am going to try it. My glass, you see, my dad from so far, I can't see shit on my phone, right? This is where I can see myself and I can see my phone. I can see the structure, but I can't see my facial features. Everything blurry. Everything. It doesn't look like a mosaic image. I'm blind. Like, I'm not blind, but I can't see properly. So we're going to get our glasses today. They called me last week Friday, but I wasn't able to go because I was fighting for my life. I wanted to give you guys a week in my life last week. That I was fighting for my life last week. So we never get to go last week, but we're going to go now. We're going to collect our glasses. You know the TikTok sound?
Wear the glasses and don't be afraid. The optician prescribed glasses for you.
My friend said me that, and I was like, so you're going to do that TikTok soon then.
Time will bring the real end about you while there'll be no remnants, no trace, no residual feelings within you. Then you won't remember me. Your face will be the reason.
You need this? That's an ugly case.
Yes, okay.
Yeah, how would have been inside the glass? Oh, wow. Must I read it for you?
No?
Oh.
So so far?
Yeah, it is.
Maybe the sun, I think we change to dark.
Oh, it's a dark shade glass?
Transition here.
Cool. Thank you. And that is
That's
it.
it. This is your first.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I got my glasses. Oh, it's transitioning for real. Everything just looks so crisp and bright. We're going to buy stuff now, like the hygiene stuff that I wanted. We're going to a pharmacy.
Wings alright. Wings, your pretty wings, your pretty wings, pretty wings.
Hello. This is a store. It sells foreign goodies and I love them here. Anyway, when I was at work on travel, I was obsessed with these. Obsessed. Do you know what happened outside?
Hmm?
Do you know what happened outside?
The one them ball, football game.
Oh, I think that's something serious.
Believe me, I'm sorry I told you lies.
What's funny when I say yeah, so when I smile up.
Here tonight, sleeping 9,000 times. I should have showed you better nights, better times, better days. I miss you more and more. As you let songs go through, your pretty wings are pretty wings, your pretty.
I am by my uncle downtown, but like it's very noisy. So none of us hear me. I don't think not hear me. But yeah, oh my god, I'm gonna review my day.
Someone else gonna love.
Hi, chat. Reach back on my yard. Bro, the place is so hot. It's not that sweet. Give me a minute. It's time to grow from look up people start to compliment me. As soon as if I like something and the second people start like, oh you look nice, you look nice, you look nice, I'm just like it. And people start to compliment me. So I like it. My phone a dead. Don't need to wrap this up and put my phone on charge. First order business. The food place that I tried, well the first one, the cafe in Morant Bay, that shit wasn't open. When I went there, cause I was like, yeah, multiple shops on the same plaza. I asked one lady, she's like, they're not opening it was. But buy something from me and I was like, I don't want one from you. It's the one thing with me, I've been there never guilt trip me for buy shit. If I don't want it, I don't want it. If I don't want it, I don't want it. Going downtown has helped me to develop that skill. If I don't want it, I don't want it. The other food place in Kingston, the chicken was good. We have some hot, some cold. Then the fries, dead ass cold. The juice, this was for like $4.50. I feel like it's a good size for $4.50. But at first it was kind of fresh. So when I walked in home, I was like, this actually makes sense. This for the $4.50. The popcorn chicken, I originally ordered tenders, but as some get up bitch around the on me today, and she like me like cashier and she give me attitude and say, I'm not in it today. We know we get so. And I just take the popcorn chicken and sit down. You don't want the tenders because I wasn't going to go back to them. I wasn't going to. Bro, I know my limits and I know when to push like my buttons. And today wasn't the day. I look at the cashier. It wasn't early. A lot of get the bitches, but they're very downtown. Very downtown. But the chicken, the popcorn chicken was good. If I had followed TikTok, they said the chicken is fresh or whatever. The chicken never fresh. I guess them use the comments them and improve. The fries over. That shit was cool. My other fries man I couldn't eat it. The fries cool. Even with this big glass of smoothie, it did not choke me. And the smoothie never really give smoothie. Give like I just pure ice and a local flavor. It never gives smoothie. But I do feel like I want to try other things on the menu because it wasn't bad. They say the environment of the place, the cleanliness. It's not. There's nothing. The place chaka baga. They might try, but I don't turn it there. So like I kind of say, oh, I understand. But at the same time, I say, is that I'm gonna search my table? I'm gonna sit at the table. I'm gonna switch up. Because I'm gonna hungry. I'm gonna never go to my uncle. Go eat. Let's eat there so. And then I'm just gonna go to my uncle. Guys, if you're ever in Kingston, like a shop, go down on the street of Bodycology. If you wanna down the big tree on the road, you go down so. You go down on the road, you go straight past the Basco. Then one Rasta man, you can't park, you can't miss him, one Maga Rasta man. Buy from him, I'm an uncle. Yeah, buy from him. So now I'm going to give you guys all the things that I bought on the road today with no money. I was buying and the money was just appearing. I was like, oh my god, you're a rich bitch. But yeah, one thing that I wanted. This probably is so bad, but I kind of like live in two places. I live here and I live somewhere else. My panty them were there wasn't, you know, some I was around the panty. Somebody put it on my list to buy a panty. I'm gonna go to this particular store and see the panty. So every time my after fish like one day she take out one of the pack give me. So I was like, one panty? This so much money? She laughed. I just said no. We just have to see if I want it for real. First thing on the list is this leggings. It's a flared leggings with this crunch bud. You see? I bought this for $700. Yeah, I bought it. When I get discount, it's if you don't go down my uncle, tell us that your favorite niece send you. I get a discount. I bought this for him because when I was like begging money. And today I wanted to be different. Okay? So I was like, let me buy something. And I was like, okay, your price of that and give me my price. I'm gonna buy this something here. Then we have 12 panties. This pocket panty was for $850. I'm not showing my panty. People complaining to the good word. I don't like to wear it before. I bought that pocket panty. Then I also bought these. I bought these first because my dad go down from the road and said, oh, come buy them here. I should have waited because I'm going to go down more and say cheaper panty. I bought this for $1,000. The $100 make a difference. Plus the rest here. They make a difference. These are more of like a spandex cotton type of panty. I don't know. So now I'm pretty for panty. I can't wear a panty. And these are the fries. I'm trying on this. Ooh, it's tight. I get fat shot. You see? I'm gonna get a little bottom to make this crunch. We're gonna work on the body though. We're gonna work on the body. Let me show you guys this one. So this is it. Come put on glasses coming out now. Ooh. Okay, this. Come on, sister. Look here. All this look.
Talking me? Step. How you go?
No. Oh, I have glasses. Oh, Paramount, so look nice, so we can't have shit. I really need to be in few atoms real long time, so I really need to be for real. And how about my father? I hate calling that man. Why I treat me like you were saying picking them? I should always be prioritized. Until next week, I'll see you guys.
Shout out to everybody. I had fun.
I gotta be good.